All right, 10, welcome back. Well, earlier in the show, we heard from CommonGround volunteer Anita Keys on the many areas where the American food dollar is spent.
Now she is joining us again with a recipe that showcases beef. In this segment, we learn how to make baked spaghetti.
I love a spaghetti dinner, and sometimes, though, you might want to spruce it up a little bit. And joining me now with more is Anita Keys. Anita, what do you have for us today?
Okay, today we're going to try baked spaghetti, which is kind of a little bit different. A friend of mine said this is her husband's favorite. He gets it on his birthday every year or a special occasion. So anyhow, we're going to start with spaghetti. So you cook up your spaghetti, which I've already done, and this recipe calls for thin spaghetti, which I had never paid a whole lot of attention. There's angel hair, there's all different kinds, but I kind of like the thin spaghetti in that it, especially in this dish, that it doesn't cook up so much. It's not too thick, so I like that. Then with it, okay, so you take 2 eggs, beat those with a wire whisk. You add 3 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese and then melted butter. So you mix this up together, and then you're going to put this in with your spaghetti. And today I'm doing it in a 9-inch square or an 8-inch square pan. Okay, then the next step, you take half a teaspoon Italian seasoning, a clove of garlic, and I've got cream cheese in here, and then sour cream. Okay, so then we're going to do our topping here, our hamburger part. And for the hamburger, you need a pound of hamburger, browned and drained. Of course, being beef farmers, I'd probably put in 2 just because we like our ratio of meat to pasta to be pretty heavy. But this today is 1 pound of hamburger drained, 12 ounces spaghetti sauce. I probably would set that on a cookie sheet or something just in case it overflows in your oven. Now, and this is another thing that I picked up from one of the recipes. Don't put the cheese on yet. And you've all had that where it kind of the cheese got black or too brown, too done by the time the casserole got done underneath. So you cover this with foil and you bake it for 25 minutes. Take it out of the oven and top with whatever cheese you like. And then bake uncovered 5 to 10 minutes. So then once you put the cheese on top, you stick it back in the oven, let that cheese melt. So here I have the finished product. You've got your baked spaghetti, the highlight of our meal. Some colorful fruits and vegetables here, maybe a slice of bread, or people like garlic bread or cheesy bread with this. Kids will love it too, especially if you had them help you make it. So enjoy baked spaghetti.
All right, Anita. Hey, thank you very much for being here today.